This is Olivia. Olivia is trying to build a profitable freelance business, but she feels daunted by the task of finding and selling to new clients. She believes in what she's offering, but she's met salespeople before, and she doesn't feel like she has the ability or desire to learn their dark arts. For a start, she's not particularly comfortable talking loudly in the direction of strangers. She's also quite fond of letting people finish their sentences. What Olivia really needs is anti-sell, an empathetic and realistic approach to growing her business leads in a genuine way. It's full of actionable, hustle-free ideas, delivered in a friendly and easy-to-absorb way. That way, she can avoid the feast or famine rollercoaster of freelancing by learning how to sell without selling. Get your copy of Anti-Sell now from Amazon, Audible, iTunes or Gumroad, available in paperback, Kindle, audiobook and PDF. Anti-Sell, marketing, lead generation and networking tips for freelancers who hate sales.